Hi guys, look at this, and look at this. I'm so super excited that I just have to make a video and share it with you, and the news, and yeah, also for my own records. So because this is really something special for me, probably for those who live in the tropics, that's nothing special, but for me, it's a super special. I got hold on 3 cacao pods. These are cacao pods, and already opened one and got the seeds to sprout, and I will show you. Look at this baby. It's sprouting. Whoops. Which means all went well, and I can open the next ones and get them to sprout and plant these ones today or tomorrow. Anyway, these are the cacao seeds from the cacao pods, the seeds themselves, which you make cacao from. And I will open the next one today and share with you. Yeah, I will show you how it looks like inside, and also talk about the taste, because their flesh is also edible. So yeah, now let's open it. We live in the subtropics in Australia, here in Queensland, for 16 years now, and I have never seen them anywhere around here. So I got those from tropics, from someone. And now, yeah, so anyway, that's why it's really special for me. We also never been to tropics yet. And so I was really happy when I could buy these pots from someone who sent it to me. And so yeah, here they are. These are the cacao seeds. And it smells so delicious. I will open them up, both of them, because I'm not sure how long can I keep them in the pots, and they already look darker than when I received them, like 5 days ago, I think. So yeah, let's open them up. Just need to be careful because I don't want to damage the seeds. So that's how they look like inside. They still look perfectly fine. But yeah, I don't want to get them rotten. So that's how they look like. We're all attached on this funny thing. And yeah, that's the cacao seeds. I will not process them because I really would like to grow them. And as long as I keep it warm in winter, above 5 degrees, which means probably I will grow them in a pot, so I can move them in to the house. Other than this, they will be fine. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Maybe I will sell some, I will share some, we'll see. And yeah, this is the white flesh is edible. It's really yummy. So basically, I do the same as I did with those seeds. I have eaten the flesh from around the seed, and it tastes I would say it tastes like banana, mango, and some sort of citrus. Really super delicious. And yeah, I will try now to sprout as many as I can, grow them, and if you don't want to miss it and see how I go with my cacao seeds, follow me and I will share with you my experience with this beauty. They're really yummy. Also, when I'm on it, I will peel one of those because these seeds are surrounded in this like a slimy skin. Now there we go. Okay, so this is the peeled cacao seed, and to taste like a cacao, from what I know, I will need to ferment it, dry it, because when I bite in it and chew on it, it tastes like a seed. It doesn't taste like a cacao at all for now. But anyway, this is the seed. I will definitely try to grow it here in Subtropics, and we see how we go. So I hope you liked the video about the cacao. I will have some more of this delicious flesh, and then I will try to sprout it again. So yeah, take care guys. Wish you all the best with all your projects. Let me know if you have any experience with cacao plants, cacao seeds, sprouting them, growing them. I would love to hear from you. If you have made some experience with it, let me know. And yeah, hope to see you next time. Thanks, bye bye.